ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 16-10 काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरम्। काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानमदान्विताः। पदच्छेदः कामम् आश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानमद अन्विताः। मोहाद् गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः। पदच्छेदः मोहात् गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते अशुचिव्रताः. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. दम्भमानमदान्विताः अशुचिव्रताः दुष्पूरं कामम् आश्रित्य असद्ग्राहान् मोहाद् गृहीत्वा प्रवर्तन्ते. कर्तृपदीयाः दम्भमानमदान्विताः अशुचिव्रताः are समान कर्तृक, common subjects for ashritya and gruhitva and pravartante, because ashritya is levantam and gruhitva is tvantam. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. दम्भमानमदान्विताः अशुचिव्रताः. दम्भमानमदान्विताः, दम्भमानमदान्वित विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. दम्भः च मानः च मदः च दम्भमानमदाः इतरेतरद्वन्द्वः. दम्भमानमदैः अन्विताः, दम्भमानमदान्विताः तृतीया तत्पुरुषः. दम्भः, दम्भ घय, डिसीट, फ्रॉड, ट्रिकरी. मानः हॉटीनेस, मन प्लस घय. मदः मद अच. मदः is intoxication, drunkenness, inebriety, madness, insanity, ardent passion, lustful passion, wanton, rut, ichor, or the juice that extends from the temples of an elephant in rut. Pride, arrogance. Arrogance should be the correct one. अन्विताः, अनु प्लस इ, अन्वि धातोः क्त विशेषणम् अन्वित. अन्वित past participle, followed or attended by, in company with, joined by, full of. Full of is a good name. अशुचिव्रताः, अशुचिव्रत विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमबहुवचनं. न शुचि अशुचि नैतत्पुरुषः. अशुचिव्रतं येषां ते अशुचिव्रताः बहुव्रीहि. शुचि एडजेक्टिव, शुच की, क्लीन, प्योर, क्लियर. सकलहंसगुणं शुचिमानसम्. व्रतम, व्रतः और व्रतम. व्रज घ जस्य तः, a religious act of devotion or austerity. Avowed observance, a vow in general. अभ्यस्यतीव व्रतमासितारम्. दुष्पूरं कामम् आश्रित्य. दुष्पूरं, दुष्पूर विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं. दुष्करः पूरः यस्य सः दुष्पूरः बहुव्रीहि. पूरः पूर क, filling, making full, satisfying, pleasing, making content. Making content is a good name. कामम, काम पुल्लिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. कामः कम घय, wish, desire, संतान कामाय. Often used with the infinitive form. गन्तु कामः, desirous to go. संगात संजायते कामः, object of desire. सर्वान् कामान् समश्नुते. So basically kama, desire, wish, ardent desire. आश्रित्य, आश्रि धातोः लेबन्तम्, आश्रि प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी, to resort or betake oneself, to have recourse to, resorting to or following. So dhairyam, shokam, balam, mitrabhavam, sanskritam ashritya. Here kamam ashritya, dushpuram kamam ashritya comes with accusative. Papameva shairasman hatvaitana tataina, to adhere or stick to fall. This was from Bhagavad Gita 1.36. Mohat asad gruhitva, asad gruhitva. Mohat, moha pullingam, panchami ekvachanam. Mohaha, moha ghai, loss of consciousness, fainting, a swoon, insensibility. Delusion, that also is a good meaning. Perplexity, delusion, embarrassment, confusion, wonder, affliction. In philosophy, delusion of mind which prevents one from discerning the truth. असद्ग्राहान, असद्ग्राह पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम, न सत् इति असत् नहीं तत्पुरुषः, असन्तः ग्राहाः असद्ग्राहाः कर्मधारयः, असन्तः असत् विशेषणम, अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम, असत् not being or existing, तदभावे सत् अपि असत्, असतित्वयि, wrong, improper, false, untrue, what one does not deserve. Grahaha, grah, pullingam prathama, bahuvachanam. Grah, adjective. Grahi, oh, this is different. Graha bhave ghai. Then grahaha, seizing, grasping, accepting, understanding. So, this is more properly. Pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Instead of graha, adjective. Here it is not adjective. Gruhitva. ग्रह धातोः क्त्वान्तं, ग्रह ग्रहं उपादाने, टू टेक, टू एक्सेप्ट, टू ऑब्टेन. क्रियादिः नवमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट्. प्रवर्तन्ते, प्रवृद्ध धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं. प्रवृत्त प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी, टू गो फॉरवर्ड, मूव ऑन, प्रोसीड. प्रवर्तन्ते, टू एंगेज इन, बी ऑक्युपाइड विथ. अभिस्वशक्त्या तपसि प्रवर्तसे. This is from Kumar Sambhavam. Yeah, I thought so. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Dushpuram kamam ashritya, giving themselves up to insatiable passions. Dambha mana madanvitaha, hypocritical dambha. Mana, self-sufficient and arrogant. Arrogant, madanvitaha. Mohat asadgrahan gurhitva, cherishing false conception founded on delusion. Ashuchivrataha pravartante, they work only to carry out their own unholy purposes. Chando Vishleshana. Kamamashritya dushpuram, ashtrakshani. Te dushpu, etesham matraha eka, dve, dve. Dambhamana madanvitaha, ashtrakshani. Madanvi, etesham matraha eka, dve, eka. Mohat gruhitva sadgrahan, ashtrakshani. Tva sadgra, etesham matraha. Tva is two, yes. Sadgra, two, two, two. प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः अष्टक्षाणि. शुचिव्र एतेषां मात्राः एका, द्वे, एका. तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अस्मिन् षोडशाध्याये दशमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः. Notes of self-study. The phrase dushpurah kamaha, insatiable fashions, make me wonder whether dens of prostitutions are there in all societies as if as a sociological necessity. A glaring example of Dushura Kama is the abduction of Sita by Ravana. There are any number of Hindi films based on the life of courtesans. Devdasa is a Bengali romance novel written by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. The story pivots a tragic triangle, linking Devdasa, an archetypal lover, in separation from his beloved Paro, his forbidden childhood love, and Chandramukhi, a reformed courtesan. Devdasa has been adapted on screen 20 times for film and 5 times for the same song. I'm left wondering whether Dushpuraha Kamaha is is an adornment or fallibility. Arjuna himself had 4 wives: Draupadi, Subhadra, Ulupi, Chitrangada. Draupadi was married to all 5 Pandava brothers, while Subhadra was the sister of Lord Krishna. Ulupi was a Naga princess, and Chitrangada was the princess of Manipur. Even if one would grant that polygamy was prevalent and accepted in the then society, should it be indicative of Dushpura Kama? There is some prasaha, onomatopoeia, in Pravartante Shuchivrataha, especially the letters Varata coming in that sequence both in Vartante and Vrataha. Etymologically, Vartante is from Dhatuhu Vrut, whereas Vrataha, Vratam, is Vraj Gha Jasyataha, that is from Dhatuhu Vraj, to go, roam, as per Apte's dictionary. But from Dhatuhu Vru, as per Shabdakalpadruha, Vriyate iti vrui varane bahulakatvat atach, to choose, to opt for. So from Vraja to go, to roam, and from Vru to choose, to opt for. Both the meanings fit here. Also, the word Ashuchi Vrataha can be analyzed and interpreted in 2 ways. One, those whose vows are impure, Shuchivrataha na. Those who observe their vows impurely, Yadyapi Ashuchihi Vrati. Actually, Shuchita or Shaucham, purity, has to be of both mind and body. Either being impure renders the Vrataha, the observance, impure. Both being impure is the worst. The word pravartante, being from dhatuhu pravrut, brings to mind pravrittihi and pravartanam. Pravrittihi is related to one's own inclinations and aptitudes. Pravartanam, meaning incitement, is related to what influence one bears among companions and colleagues. So, mohat asadgrahan gruhitva, by accepting improper offerings, bribes, they not only themselves indulge in corrupt practices, they prompt companions also into corruption. Isn't it pathetic that governments find it necessary to have setups such as ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau? But there has been the proverb, power corrupts, absolute power corrupts absolutely. One example is of Duryodhana, who, by a gesture of appreciating the archery skills of Karna, so much subjugated Karna's conscience for entire life that Karna did not stop Duryodhana from dragging Draupadi to the court and ordering disclothing her. By his gesture of appreciation, Duryodhana got on his side Karna, someone who could challenge Arjuna. Karna was too naive to realize that by accepting Duryodhana's offer to be king of Angadesha, he lost his right to call a spade, to call what is wrong as wrong, to be true to the sword, khalya mithala jagne, Marathi idiom, is an integral part of Indian culture, getting entrenched in Indian psyche. So Karna would not stop Duryodhana from doing anything, howsoever wrong. But in law, one who offers and one who accepts a bribe, even if unwittingly, both are corrupt. Ashuchi vrataha, ashuchi pravartanam pravartante. There is a proverb in Marathi, एका हाताने टाळी वाजत नाही. Clapping cannot happen with only one hand. For bribery to become complete, there have to be two, the giver and the receiver. Moral is that one needs to be alert when accepting anything from anybody. Rather, a good virtue is aparigraha, not to accept anything from anybody. Note, parigraha is a vice, one of the 6 enemies, Shadripavaha, mentioned in Ahankaram Balam Darpam Kamam Krodham Parigraham Vimuchya Nirmamashanto Brahmabhuyaya Kalpate. Having abandoned 1 ego, Ahankar, 2 power, Bala, 3 arrogance, Darpa, 4 anger, actually desire, Krodha, anger, and 6 Parigraha, accepting anything from anybody. And having abandoned all these and having attained peace, he is fit to join the eternal spirit. This Gita Abhyasa is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamshaya Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. This study is Swantha Sukhaya, for self-contentment. Glad to share. Shubhamastu.